1 minus 13 equals minus 12. 1 minus 13 equals minus 12. And minus 12 squares equal 144. Minus 12 times 144 equals negative 1728. And then we have plus 8 from the original expression. When you simplify this, it gives us minus 1720. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have subtraction operators present, we also have addition operators present, and we have exponent and parenthesis present as well. According to the rules, parenthesis takes highest priority. So let's solve them first. 1 minus 13 inside parenthesis gives us minus 12, and minus 12 square gives us 144. Our expression simplifies to 1 minus 13 times 144 plus 8. Now in this expression we have subtraction, multiplication and addition present, and according to the rules, multiplication takes highest priority because it comes before addition and subtraction. So we must solve this part of the expression first, and 13 times 144 gives us 1872, and our expression simplifies to 1 minus 1872 plus 8. Now we are left with subtraction and addition. Let's solve this part first. 1 minus 1872 gives us negative 1871 plus 8, and this gives us 1863 in negative, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.